This is my Fit Inman 1 bike check. Stock Inman Bars. 8 rise, 28 width. I got red ODI grips, brand new, not even broken in yet. They're really soft. I like them. I've tried other grips like Animal Edwin's, and these are like the best that I've tried. They don't give me blisters. Red ODI forend here. Black ODI forend here. Fit top load stem. Pretty nice stem. It's pretty heavy though. Inman forks. They're chromoly. Most of the bike is chromoly. Chromoly forks, chromoly cranks. The seat tube is chromoly. The head tube and then the top and bottom tube are both chromoly. So it's like the front of the bike, and that's pretty much it. The front of the bike. The bars might be too. I'm not sure. I got a Weinman front rim with a trick stick peg. Really good peg. It's light. It's like 3 ounces, 3.3 ounces, something like that. I like it. Stock fit tire in front. The Inman 1 frame. Shadow Conspiracy plastic pivotal seat with a free agent seat post that I cut down to be pretty light because it was like really big. Blacklabel plastic pedals. They're really nice. I like them. Had them for a while. They're still grippy. Stock fit chromoly cranks. Stock fit sprocket. KNC chain. And the back rim is an Alienation plain black rim with another trick stick and some hub guard that I picked up at a bike shop. I don't know what it is. It's the chain side, but threw it on here just to cover the whole back end of the frame. Works good for me. I'm pretty good at ripping out my hubs, so I needed to put something there. Animal GLH tire, not the folding tire, regular GLH. It's a good tire, I really like it. Yeah, I think that's it. It's a really good bike, I really like it. I've had it for a few weeks now. It's pretty light, it's like 25 pounds stock. I don't know what it weighs now, I haven't weighed it. Probably not much less because I haven't changed much, but it's drilled for gyro tabs. I might put one on there eventually. Yeah, and I ride Nike 6.0s. I like them, they're really grippy, they're good. Always ride 6.0s.